Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS tax cases. Today, I want to let people know yet again you've got to be absolutely crazy to deal with the IRS on your own. So, after getting a letter that my extension was filed late when it wasn't, now I get a letter concerning my first quarter payroll report. The letter says my tax liability schedule wasn't submitted or completed correctly. Who said? I've got my tax return here for the quarter. I've got my Schedule B, as I was told I was required for the last several years. I put all my deposits to the penny on there, reconciled the total liability with the total deposits, and of course, everything's paid on time, no refunds, no additional payments owed. But here's what they do: they said, though we usually charge a failure to deposit penalty for schedules that are incorrectly missing, how they can compute a penalty on something not existent beats the heck out of me. In my whole career, it's never happened. We decided to waive the penalty for this period. So, what they're doing, and they've done this to some of my clients as well, they're setting you up for the next time when you actually do something and you want to get the first time penalty removal. They're going to go, no, we can't do it. We gave you the penalty removal before. And when you ask them, like I have in the past, they say, oh, well, I don't have the detail. All I know the computer says is that we got rid of the penalty for you. Can't help you. File an appeal. And it goes on and it continue waste the taxpayer money and continue ripping off of taxpayers. It's really pitiful because what's gone on in the last couple of years, I have not seen in my whole career. I started my CPA firm in 1980. I was doing taxes since 1975 when I was 19 years old. I've never seen the government as bad as I do now. All this politics has flown all the way down to the IRS. So I warn people, anyone listening to this, your tax preparer is probably not capable of helping you with IRS problems. Your friend or neighbor or relative who used to work or currently works for the IRS is not capable. Only professional people who have that level of years of experience in dealing with this stuff and how to resolve it, those are the people qualified to help you. Call Stephanie 713-774-4467 or email her at stephanie@taxproblem.org. Thank you. And don't forget, like and subscribe to these videos and stay on top. And if you go to irs.taxproblem.org/list, give me your email. I'll respond showing you my 4-part checklist that to this day, I don't know one person who was audited when we used it. And then you'll be up on all the weekly emails that I send explaining how the current IRS works. Thank you.